Learning English can feel like a big challenge, but with the right methods, it can also be fun and exciting. Here are 5 simple tips that can help you learn English more quickly. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes because every mistake helps you learn. Let's dive into these tips. Practice every day. The more you practice, the faster you will learn English. You don't need to spend hours studying all at once. Even 30 minutes a day is enough if you are consistent. Here's how you can practice every day. A. Use English in your daily life. Speak English when talking to friends or family, even if it's just a few words. Label items around your house in English, like your door, table, or mirror. Try writing a short diary entry in English each day. B. Make it fun. Sing along to your favorite English songs. Watch English TV shows, cartoons, or movies with subtitles. Play word games like crossword puzzles or Scrabble in English. Learn from mistakes. It's normal to make mistakes when learning something new. Don't be afraid to try speaking or writing, even if it's not perfect. Ask for help when you don't know the right word or phrase. 2. Build your vocabulary. Vocabulary is the collection of words you know. The more words you learn, the easier it is to express yourself in English. Here are ways to build your vocabulary. A. Learn new words daily. Choose 5 to 10 new words each day and try to use them in sentences. For example, if you learn the word happy, you could say, I am happy today. Write the words down in a notebook so you don't forget them. B. Group words by topic. Learn words related to one subject at a time, like food, travel, or school. For example, food, apple, bread, tea, chicken. Travel, train, plane, luggage, map. This makes it easier to remember and use these words. Use flashcard. Write words on one side of a card and there are pictures on the other side. Test yourself or have a friend quiz you. Practice with context. Instead of just memorizing words, try to learn them in sentences. For example, instead of learning run by itself, learn I run every morning. This shows you how the word is used in real life. Improve your listening skills. Listening is a key part of learning any language. When you listen carefully, you understand how words are pronounced and how sentences are formed. Here's how you can improve. Listen to English daily. Watch movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos in English. Start with subtitles, then try watching without them. Listen to English songs and try to understand the lyrics. B. Focus on real-life conversations. Listen to podcasts or audio lessons designed for English learners. Try to listen to native speakers in real conversations. Even if you don't understand everything, you'll get used to the rhythm and tone of English. C. Repeat and imitate. After listening to a sentence, pause the audio and repeat it. Try to copy the speaker's pronunciation and tone. Practice this regularly to sound more natural. 4. Speak as much as you can. Speaking is the best way to improve your confidence and fluency. Even if you feel shy, it's important to practice. Here are some tips to help you. Find a speaking partner. Practice speaking with friends who are also learning English. Join language exchange programs where you can talk with native speakers or other learners. B. Talk to yourself. Describe your day in English, even if you're alone. For example, I am cooking dinner now. Practice asking and answering questions like, what is your favorite food? Record yourself. Use your phone to record yourself speaking English. Listen to the recording and note areas where you can improve. D. Don't worry about grammar. When speaking, focus on communicating your ideas instead of worrying too much about grammar. Fluency comes first. Accuracy will follow with practice. 5. Stay motivated and have fun. Learning English is a journey, and it's important to stay motivated. If you enjoy the process, you'll learn faster. Here are some tips to keep your motivation high. Set clear goals. Decide why you want to learn English. Is it for work, school, or travel? Set small, achievable goals like learning 50 new words in a month or being able to order food in English at a restaurant. B. Reward yourself. Celebrate your progress. For example, treat yourself to something nice when you complete a goal. Keep track of your achievements in a journal. Seeing how far you've come will inspire you to keep going. C. Find interesting materials. Read books, magazines, or articles that interest you. Watch videos about topics you enjoy, like sports, cooking, or technology. D. Join a community. Join English classes, clubs, or online forums where you can meet other learners. Share your experiences and learn from others. Conclusion. Learning English doesn't have to be hard or boring. By practicing every day, building your vocabulary, improving your listening skills, speaking as much as you can, and staying motivated, you'll see improvement faster than you think. Remember, consistency and patience are the keys to success. Keep going, have fun, and believe in yourself. You've got this.